Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the Tower Sensible Dust Wagon Tower 3 Piles unit. This sleek storage solution helps you manage household waste while keeping your living space looking perfectly clean. The vertical design features 3 separate sections to help you sort different types of trash or recycling. Its slim profile allows it to fit into tight corners or narrow spaces between your kitchen cabinets. Sturdy wheels on the base make it incredibly easy to move the wagon around your entire home. You will love how this modern unit simplifies your daily chores and improves your overall home organization. Upgrade your interior today with this functional and stylish dust wagon for a much more efficient lifestyle. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.